Let's take a look at some of the police cars here at the show in Ferndale, where the Ford display is. A nice red Hemi Challenger. Some older police cars here. Car here, Plymouth Fury. And one of the Mustangs. State Patrol, Missouri State. Oh, the antenna's on the back. An older Dodge. Got a Crown Vic. And got a couple more on this side. An old Pontiac. Old Plymouth. 61.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we were looking at that already.
What year is that? 61, okay.
An older Power. This looks like a 78 to 80, 81, 79, somewhere around there. Bench seat. Yeah, just beside the Challenger, we got a Charger, a couple Ford Explorers.
But he has a that lives in Birmingham.
We got a couple more here down this side.
Sea level.
77 Plymouth Fury Pursuit. Hazard County from Dukes Hazard. Got a Hummer here. Got an older Charger. Yeah, I think that wraps it up for the police car show here down in Ferndale at the Woodward Dream Cruise. And look at this, the sun's coming out. It's calling for a lot of rain this weekend, so that's quite nice to see. And we got a bunch of old fire trucks. Might as well check these out just around the corner here, still in Ferndale. fire trucks are so big, it's hard to get them in the shot. Here's a long one. Truck 51. '48 John Bean fire engine. Oh wow, this sun coming out, it's actually quite warm. Ghostbusters. And we got one more over here.